No, I haven't had one of these for a while. This is a BCM Replacer video, next one in the series. I've now got some more voltage tap modules from Isaac. We had a minor error on the previous schematics which we couldn't correct by fudging, so we had to rebuild the voltage tap boards. So what we have here is the complete car, which I've been IMA side of the car, which I've been fiddling with, which you've seen some videos of recently. But now what we have is, first of all, there are no IMA errors. IMA error light is not lit. We have the ABS button, which you have to press within a certain time, otherwise it doesn't work. We have a speed adjuster, fake VSS signal. We also have a brake and a clutch switch now. So, and the main thing today is what we have here, is we have the BCM has been replaced by the BCM Replacer. And I've got it upside down here, and you can see these tap boards are all flashing away. And it's calculating approximately the right voltage at the minute. I need to tweak the software in these, and the system is accepting that, and the communications etc. are all working between the MCM and the BCM in the loop that there is there on the MET-SCI and BAT-SCI lines, and the software is ticking away, so we are making some progress. I need to just make some more adjustments to the software for the voltage tap modules, and then do some more work on the main software here, and then it should be ready to try in the car. So that's where we are at the minute. This is the BCM Replacer replacing the BCM.